Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make grid videos. Grid videos are a fantastic way to showcase multiple perspectives or pieces of content at the same time. Imagine seeing 4 different reactions to an event or comparing 2 products side by side, all within a single frame. This technique allows for dynamic storytelling and engaging visual presentations, making your content more impactful and versatile for your audience. We will cover the simple steps to achieve this. To create your grid video, you will need access to video editing software. Programs like Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and even user-friendly mobile applications such as CapCut offer robust features for arranging multiple clips. These tools provide the canvas for your creative vision, allowing you to precisely position and resize each video segment. Choose a tool that best fits your skill level and project requirements for a smooth editing experience. Once your clips are ready, import them into your editing software and place each one on its own video track. Now, the fun begins, resizing and positioning. You will adjust each clip's scale and placement to fit perfectly within your chosen grid, whether it is a 2x2 or a 3x3 arrangement. Pay close attention to maintaining consistent aspect ratios for a polished and professional final product, ensuring visual harmony across all segments. For a truly impactful grid video, consider a few professional tips. First, manage your audio carefully. Synchronize it or mute clips to prevent a chaotic soundscape. Second, strive for visual consistency across all segments to maintain a cohesive aesthetic. Adding subtle borders between clips can enhance separation and clarity. Finally, keep individual clip durations relatively short, perhaps 10 to 15 seconds each, to hold your audience's attention and deliver your message effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.